This folding table is made of aluminum alloy and stainless steel, with an oxidized surface that ensures excellent heat resistance and durability. It has a maximum load capacity of approximately 175 pounds, and the tabletop is waterproof too, and easy to clean. Whether exposed to outdoor elements or accidental spills, its performance remains unaffected. The table features a clever design with 2 levels and an additional side table on the end. The sturdy support legs ensure the table remains stable on the dry surfaces. Additionally, the table comes with a convenient carrying bag. Simply fold and store the table inside, and can easily take it with you wherever you go. Just like this. Whether for family gatherings or friends picnic, this folding table is your ideal choice for outdoor activities.